Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Thriving Thursday. So, I'm excited to be with you every week and dive into some fabulous wellness. So, today we're diving into the Mind and Mood Kit Month 1, which is, I took it out of its box. So, it's this guy here. So nice. So this is part of the new wellness subscription plans that doTERRA has to offer. And you can get any of the kits for $75 per month. And when you subscribe, you actually get, so you can choose whether you want mind and mood, immunity, or relief. And the great thing is, so there's 3 different variations, and so you don't even have to think about it. If you know, all right, I'm stressed out, I got some anxious feelings all over the place, and I'm just really struggling emotionally, so then, great, Mind and Mood Kit. They're going to send you a kit on month 1, and then they're going to send you different stuff on month 2 and different stuff on month 3. And what's really cool is if you want to get any extra stuff, you can get it 20% off. Awesome, right? So the first month it comes in this really cool, nice little neoprene case, and so let's dive in and see what we get. So, first and foremost, we get our Adaptiv capsules, which are my absolute favorite. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Adaptiv capsules and what your experience has been. So these have GABA and selenium and ahi flower, which are all amazing to kind of give you the sense of alert serenity. All right, and it's amazing. So I deal with a lot of anxious feelings all the time, and especially with the pandemic and working from home, and it's just a lot. So I find this to be really helpful because it helps me be able to manage a lot of stress. What else do we have in here? So we have the Balanced Grounding Blend. So this has spruce, hoewood, blue tansy, German chamomile, blue chamomile, osmanthus, and it is probably one of my most used oils. If you've used Balance, let me know what your experience has been. This is actually the first oil I ever experienced. So this is what made me fall in love with oils in the first place, so it has a special place in my heart. And then you get the Adaptiv Touch. Now this is some magical oil stuff right here, y'all, because it is so good at dealing with stress, anxious feelings, just helping you unwind. So this comes in it as well. And you get this cute little Balanced deodorant trial, which is so, look how cute that is. Sorry, I'll put that up here so you can actually see it. Can you actually see it? There it is. Yeah! Okay, sorry, not the best camera. So, that's what you're gonna get, right? And so these guys, separately, actually cost more than $75, right? So, Balance by itself, so you're looking at 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then this, you call it 80, 82, alright? Because the normal deodorants are like $7. So, you're getting a discount, and you're not even have to think about what you need, which is awesome. If you want more information on the wellness kits, comment with wellness kits and let me know. And if you've already gotten one of them, let me know what your experience has been with that. Yeah, Balance is hands down. I think everybody who's played with oils, Balance was one of their first loves. It's definitely an oil that is super helpful for so many people. But that's really what I've got for you today. As a reminder, this month we have a bunch of great promotions. You can get 15% off of Rose Touch, and if you put in a 200 PV order, you're going to be able to get the Digest with the Best for free, which is a calmer, tamer, Digestin capsules, and a bottle of peppermint, which is pretty phenomenal considering we have Halloween and Thanksgiving coming up. So it's going to be good to support our digestive system and be able to calm our nerves. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone. Happy oiling.